Everyone, my name is Neha. Today I am going to explain the microbial growth curve and its industrial significance. Before we understand the growth curve, let's first understand what microorganisms are. Microorganisms are tiny living organisms like bacteria, fungi that grow and multiply when they get suitable conditions such as nutrient, water, temperature, etc. When the microorganisms are grown in culture medium, they don't keep growing at same speed. Their growth follows a predictable pattern called the microbial growth curve, which are four phases: log, lag, stationary, and death phase. Understanding these phases is very important because industries use this as a knowledge to produce antibiotic, vaccines, and useful products. Let's begin with the first phase, that is lag phase. Suppose you shift to a new city, you won't immediately start working efficiently, right? First, you'll adjust to the new environment. Similarly, microorganisms behave the same way. In this phase, the cells are adapting to fresh culture medium. They are repairing damaged cells, producing enzymes, proteins, and preparing themselves for cell division. So, even though the number of cells doesn't increase much, a lot of internal activity is happening. From an industrial point of view, this phase is important because healthy and active starter culture are prepared here, which later improved fermentation efficiency and increased product yield. Next comes the log phase, also called the exponential phase. This is the fastest growth stage. Here, microorganisms divide continuously, so the population doubles after every regular intervals. Their metabolic activity is at highest, which means they are very active. Because of this rapid growth, industries prefer this phase for a large scale fermentation. Products like yeast biomass, bacterial cultures, enzymes, vaccines, and recombinant proteins, organic acid as well, are produced efficiently during this stage. So many industries try to maintain microorganism in this phase as long as possible because it gives maximum productivity. After the log phase becomes stationary phase, at this stage nutrients begin to run out, oxygen becomes limited, starts accumulating. As a result, the number of cells formed becomes equal to the number of cells dying. So the total population remains almost constant. Although growth slows down, microorganism now starts producing secondary metabolites. These includes antibiotics, penicillin, pigments, vitamins, and certain enzymes. This is why the stationary phase is extremely valuable in the pharmaceutical industries, especially for antibiotic production. The final stage is the death phase. Here, the nutrients are completely exhausted. Toxic waste products continue to increase, and the environment is no longer suitable for growth. As a result, more cells dies than are produced, so the living cell population decreases continuously. Some microorganisms survive by forming spores, but cell undergoes breakdown, which is called as lysis. Industrially, this phase helps in determining the shelf life of a microbial product, improving preservation methods, maintaining quality, preventing contamination. Now let's see why microbial growth curve is so important in different industry. In food industry, it is used to produce yogurt, cheese, bread, vinegar, as you all know. Whereas in pharmaceutical industry, it helps in producing antibiotics, vaccines, vitamins, and therapeutic enzymes. In biotechnology, microorganisms are used for recombinant protein production, biofuel production like ethanol and biogas. Whereas in agriculture, it is used to improve soil fertility. There are also used in many agricultural applications such as wastewater treatment, composting, bioremediation, one of the most important topic. Overall, understanding the microbial growth curve helps industry optimize fermentation, increase product yield, and of course improve the product quality. So to conclude, the microbial growth curve explains how microorganism grows through four different phases, and each phase has its own industrial importance. Thank you for everyone for your concentration. Thank you so much.